Good afternoon, my dear media friends. You have been a part of our larger story in Bangalore. We thank you for joining us today as we mark this pivotal moment of the launch of our REIT, Knowledge Realty Trust. In the early 90s, when India's IT evolution was just beginning to unfold, we had the clear foresight to recognize that India needed world-class office infrastructure and was emerging as the world's service provider. The country needed office spaces that matched global standard. We saw the certainty of India's growth story and we built ahead of time. Satwa Group, through 3 decades of dedicated effort, has evolved into a diversified enterprise with complementary business verticals in real estate. We have successfully delivered over 74 million square feet of the world-class developments with another 75 million square feet currently under development across various stages. We also have an A+ CRISIL rating, which shows our financial discipline. Our portfolio spans grade A office spaces, premium to luxury residential projects, innovative co-working solutions and co-living concepts, hospitality, education. We have consistently set new benchmarks in design, technology, integration and user experience across every asset class. I'm Vijay Agarwal, Managing Director of Satwa Group. So Knowledge Realty Trust has been floated for the real estate office IPO. It is the rental of that 46 million square feet in that 29 building of marquee assets, 46 million, 3,450 crore FY25 NOI is there. This is, and 62,000 crore gross assets value. This is Knowledge Realty Trust. And it has been tomorrow onwards, it is opening for the retail investor. Tomorrow is 5th, 6th, 7th evening it will close.
I think as has been mentioned numerous times, it's a large portfolio, 46 million square feet. 37 million square feet is built, 1 million square feet is under construction, and 8 million square feet can be developed on land that's part of the portfolio, right? So that's the breakup of the 46. 29 assets, as Mr. Agarwal pointed out, high quality, very well spread out across India, as you can see in the chart on the left. Concentration in the 3 best markets, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. And, not only do we have the cities with the most office absorption, but even within those cities, we have the best sub-market locations. So whether it's BKC in Mumbai, whether it's ORR in Bangalore, or High Tech City in Hyderabad, I think that's what sets apart the portfolio the most. As in real estate, always it's about the real estate, right? I mean, it's where it's located and the quality of the assets, which translates into very good performance. As you can see on the right, 91% occupancy is amongst the best in the competitive set we have in the REIT world. 8.5 years weighted average life remaining, which is quite long, obviously.